Welcome to today's edition of the AII, watching stock news, deal tracker, and advancements in artificial intelligence. This is a special edition of the AII featuring VSBY.C Group Technologies Corp. VSBY.C is the world leader in proactive digital display, which transforms retail and public spaces as well as place-based media networks with SaaS-based audience measurement and security software that uses AI and machine learning. VSBY.C is traded on the CSE under the ticker symbol VSBY. VSBY.C Group Technologies Corp., which is traded on the CSE under the ticker symbol VSBY, was at the Gravitas Securities 2019 Growth Conference in Vancouver, where CEO Jay Hutton spoke to Small Cap Power in an interview published yesterday. Hutton spoke of the company's object recognition technology and how the data gleaned from it can gauge the effectiveness of advertisements. Quote, "We're working on and are about to release technology that recognizes objects. So not only can I recognize the sentiment, age range, gender, all of those things, but now I recognize if the display of a specific ad resulted in the purchase of a product, because I can see it coming off the shelf." End quote. You can find a link for the full interview on the text version of the AII, easily found on investorideas.com. Accenture, which is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol ACN, and Google Cloud are collaborating to help enterprises to transform customer experience. Google is traded on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol GOOG. This collaboration will include the leveraging of Google Cloud's contact center AI and AI and data management capabilities to help companies better understand their customers through data. Paul Doherty, the Chief Technology and Innovation Officer at Accenture, commented, quote, "Leading organizations are actively working to gain a competitive advantage by providing differentiated experiences and omni-channel interactions with their customers. Expanding the scope of our collaboration is a great example of how Accenture and Google Cloud are fueling the next generation of digital innovation and business growth by harnessing the power of AI that can deliver real outcomes for our clients." End quote. And Honeywell International Inc., which is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol HON, has announced a technology integration with Intel, which is traded on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol INTC, that will enable new artificial intelligence capabilities in the former's Max Pro connected security platform. Max Pro's security prowess will be enhanced by the incorporation of Intel Vision's advanced analytics, deep learning, and facial recognition capabilities. Pete Lau, the president of commercial security at Honeywell, said, quote, "Ensuring the security of commercial buildings and the safety of those within them has always been Honeywell's top priority. With emerging technology like analytics, facial recognition, and deep learning, Honeywell and Intel are connecting buildings and protecting people like never before." End quote. And a report from Research and Markets finds that the global AI and supply chain management market by AI as a service will grow to $1.3 billion by 2024. An excerpt from the report description reads, quote, "Leading SCM solutions catalyze information sharing across organizational units and geographical locations, enabling decision makers to have an enterprise-wide view of the information needed in a timely, reliable, and consistent fashion. Various forms of AI are being integrated into SCM solutions to improve everything from process automation to providing greater visibility into static and real-time data as well as related management information systems. In addition to fully automated decision-making, AI systems are also leveraging various forms of cognitive computing to optimize the combined efforts of artificial and human intelligence. For example, AI in SCM is enabling improved supply chain automation through the use of virtual assistants, which are used both internally within a given enterprise, as well as between supply chain members." End quote. And that's it for today's AII. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact investorideas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the investorideas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music. To learn more about Visibility, please visit visibility.net. And for disclosure purposes, Visibility is a PR news and social media featured company on InvestorIdeas.com.